An electric current can be induced by using a varying magnetic field. I'll show you how to do this with the apparatus shown. First, place two coils, A and B, side by side as shown. Then, connect coil A to a battery via the switch and the rheostat. Connect coil B to the galvanometer. Close the switch. Does the galvanometer deflect when the switch is being closed? Keep the switch closed. Does the galvanometer deflect in this case? Finally, open the switch. Does the galvanometer deflect when the switch is being opened? Now, close the switch again. Increase the resistance of the rheostat quickly. Keep the resistance unchanged for a few seconds and then decrease the resistance quickly. Does the galvanometer deflect in each case?